Okay, so here we have Macaw, who is still a stallion, on the left, and Montero, who is the herd leader guardian, on the right. And you can see they've spent quite a bit of time together, and they're getting along pretty well. After Macaw is castrated, you can see he's really suffering. The herd, especially Montero and Montero's son Juno, who's in front here, spend a lot of time just meditating and supporting him. There's Juno's mom, Odie. And so there's already been a lot of interaction, really positive interaction over a fence line between these guys. Now we're going to put Juno in with him. This is not their first time in, but you can see this is part of working out the boundaries and the ranking and who's got a stronger energy happening than the other. And you can kind of see who's dominating and who's on the run. And here's another bit of really descriptive herd behavior. You can see Juno. He's asking, well, how about you let me come in and eat? And you can see Macaw's response there. And because you guys liked it so much the last time, we're going to look at that again in slow motion. Look at Macaw. Get back. Look at his head. Watch Juno coming in. Macaw swings around. Very clear signal, but not too aggressive. Juno's jumping out the way. Macaw's not letting up on the pressure. Juno's not going too far away. So he's saying, I'll move, but he's staying pretty close in. Hustling quite fast, though. So it's pretty clear who stood their ground and was the aggressor and who was dodging out of the way. Juno's not done yet, though. Kind of coming back in for a bit of another dialogue. But see how far away he is from Macaw? He's still a good distance away. Macaw's gesturing with his face. Move off. Get away. He's pushing him with his nose. And Juno doesn't look happy about any of this, but he's listening. He's braced, then he's coming in, but Macaw responds with more energy. Now Juno goes up, but again, he's nowhere near Macaw. And there, Juno could have swung round for a kick, but he did not. Now he's coming straight at me, realizes, oops, I'm there. Better not run me over. And looking for his mom. And his mom's out there a bit worried about him. But they're not done. So Juno goes back in, and now he's like, okay, well, we're done that negotiation. How about we just eat, or can I come in and eat? And Macaw's like, sure. That's not a problem for him. If it was, he might swing round and start backing up at this point, but he's done. He's leaving Juno to it. On another day, Montero's asked to come in very respectfully and quietly. And keep in mind that Macaw is a wild stallion, which is why he still has that halter on. We can't get it off him. He was sedated using a blow dart. He won't let anyone touch him. So check this out. And you saw at the beginning how, they had quite a good relationship over the fence.
Carl, remember you can't run him too much, all right? I don't want him to start bleeding too heavy. Good job, honey. So there's the back. No, okay. He didn't move. He didn't move at all. Okay. Give him a chance. Give him a chance.
All right, let's look at that in slow motion. So they've had their little dialogue there, which was quite friendly. Now Montero's asking for movement. See his ears? He's swinging around with his hind. If you're a horse, right now you for sure know what he's asking for. He's still asking. Macaw's being so slow to move. There's the one little kick out. He didn't listen. Now comes the double barrel. So in horse time, Montero gave him a ton of time to respond, and for whatever reason, Macaw just didn't. Look at Montero's lunge as he goes with his ears pinned. He's not too aggressive though. He's not moving too fast. He's being strong with his ask, but he's not overrunning him. However, Macaw is still recovering from his castration. I'm reading the energy, and after this next drive by Montero, I feel it's all a little too much, and that's why I interfere. But you can see me come in. You can see the whip coming in where I'm just asking Montero to stop. Long before I'm in front of him, see already now he's slowing down. He's listening to me. He's responding. He's letting me catch up, get in front of him. So Montero's very respectful. And here is Macaw out in the field after we've done a series of gradual integrations and introductions with him. Here he is with Cobra, another wild horse from the same area that he was culled from. So we kind of think they know each other from before. And what you're seeing here is just normal stallion energetic male behavior. Cobra was a stallion on the range for 7 years before he was gelded. And so you can see there's none of the intensity. There's not a negotiation here. They're just very chilled out, just wrestling, just having a good time. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that quick look into horse behavior and how they communicate and negotiate using both body language and energy. And don't worry, I am working on a full-length video of how we integrated the entire two herds together. It was an incredible process, which we let the horses tell us what to do and when to do it, because integrating 6 wild horses into 5 formerly wild horses, except for 1 domestic, was just something I had no idea how to do, and I figured best if we let the horses tell us. So that is coming up. Stay with us. Make sure you're subscribed.